3 letters on the doormat, stepped over year after year. Yet each one is part of a government payout worth over £7,000, earned simply by looking after the grandchildren. Almost no one ever claims it. Hello, my dear friends, and a very warm welcome back. If you've ever looked after your grandchildren, even just now and then, today's video could be worth more to you than almost any I've made. So do settle in, get comfortable, and let me explain something that far too few grandparents are ever told. So let me tell you about one of the most remarkable things I've come across in all my years studying pensions. Right now, all across Britain, millions of grandparents are doing something every single week that could be quietly adding thousands of pounds to their state pension. And they have no idea it's happening. It isn't an investment. It isn't some clever savings scheme. It's something many of you may have done just this morning, looking after your grandchildren. You see, there is a credit, a real official one, that can be worth £7,000 across your retirement. And yet, of all the millions who could claim it, only a tiny few ever do. Not because they aren't entitled, but because nobody ever told them it existed. The taxman certainly won't write to remind you. So today, I will. I'll show you exactly what it is, whether it belongs to you, and how to claim every penny, step by step. So what exactly is this? In plain English, it's called a Specified Adult Childcare Credit, though most people simply call it the Grandparents' Credit. Now stay with me, because the idea is beautifully simple. When a parent claims child benefit for a young child, they automatically get a national insurance credit towards their own state pension. But here's the thing. If that parent is out at work, they're already building their pension through their job, so they don't need that credit. It would otherwise just go to waste. And this scheme lets them pass it instead to the family member who's actually looking after the child. To you. That credit then sits on your national insurance record, building your state pension, as if you'd been out at work yourself. So who can claim it? The rules are wider than most people think. You qualify if you've cared for a family member's child who's under 12 while their parent was working. And you don't have to be a grandparent. It can be a great-grandparent, an aunt, an uncle, a brother, or a sister. You must have been over 16 and under state pension age at the time you were caring. You need to live in the UK. And, this part matters, the child's parent must have claimed child benefit and must have been earning enough at work to cover their own pension that year. There's no minimum number of hours. An afternoon a week can count. Now, I promised you honesty, so here is the most important thing in this whole video, and almost nobody mentions it. This credit only helps you if you actually have gaps in your national insurance record. If you're already on track for the full new state pension, that's £241.30 a week for the 2026 year, then adding more credits won't increase it. So before you do anything else, you must check your state pension forecast. I'll show you exactly where in a moment. If it shows you're short of the full amount, this credit could be worth a great deal. And if you're already at the maximum, then you can relax, knowing you're not missing out. So let's talk numbers. For those of you with gaps to fill. Each full year you claim adds around £6.89 a week to your pension. That's about £350 a year. Now, that may not sound like a fortune, but remember, your pension is paid for the rest of your life. Over a typical retirement, a single year's credit can be worth around £7,000. And here's what surprises people most. You can backdate your claim all the way to April 2011. So, if you've been helping with the grandchildren for years, you may be able to claim a whole stack of those years, all at once. Now, a few honest catches to save you any disappointment. First, there's only one credit per child benefit claim. So if you look after 2 grandchildren who are brother and sister, that's still just one credit, because they're under one claim. But look after 1 grandchild from your son and 1 from your daughter, and that's 2 separate claims and 2 credits. Second, and this one is vital, The parent must have claimed child benefit, even if they chose not to take the payments because of the high earners charge. If they never claimed at all, there's no credit to pass on. And finally, only one carer can claim per child. So it's worth a quick family chat first. Right. Let's claim it, step by step. Step 1. Check your state pension forecast and your national insurance record. Go to gov.uk and search Check Your State Pension. It's free, and it tells you instantly whether you have gaps worth filling. Step 2. Have a word with the child's parent. They have to agree, because they're signing the credit over to you. Step 3. Fill in the form. It's called CA9176. Find it on gov.uk by searching Specified Adult Childcare Credits. Both of you sign it. Step 4. And do note this. You can only apply after the 31st of October following the tax year you're claiming for. So, there's a short wait, but it's well worth it. And let me put your mind at ease on 2 things. First, this is completely free. You never need to pay anyone to do it for you, and you certainly don't need a financial advisor. If you'd like a hand, Citizens Advice and Age UK will help you, free of charge. Second, don't worry if the form looks a little fiddly. Take it slowly, one box at a time, or ask a younger member of the family to sit with you. The hardest part is simply knowing the credit exists, and you now know more than most. So here is my one small request. Before you forget, go and check your state pension forecast. It takes 5 minutes, and if it shows a gap, and you've been looking after your grandchildren, this could be one of the most worthwhile forms you ever fill in. Do it for yourself. You've earned it. And if this has helped, a subscribe means a great deal to a channel like this one. Look after yourselves, and I'll see you very soon. A quick note before you go. This is general information to help you, not personal financial advice. The figures are correct for the 2026 to 27 tax year at the time of recording. Always check your own position at gov.uk or with Age UK or Citizens Advice.